Here, and I know I haven't made a video in a while, but today I will be unboxing something for you guys, and it's just a gray package, but what's inside the gray package is what you guys want to see. So let's get into it. Okay, so I just opened it up. I saved you guys the hassle of watching me open that up, so now we're just gonna pull it out, and here we have the case. And I'm sorry I'm doing this one-handed, so just give me a little bit to open this. Okay, so here it is, and it's packaging. It's just, like, the packaging is so glossy. I'm gonna see if I can set you guys up so I can actually unbox this in front of you guys to actually count it as an unboxing. Please stay. Yes, we got it to stay. Okay. Wow, that's satisfying peel. Okay, so they have directions on how to put the case on. And so the thing is, guys, I really don't have an iPhone 11. So this is kind of pointless for me to get this, but I was like, why not? It's cool, I guess. It was like $40. This is the white right here. The camera's like so weird. It's like a square and the Apple logo is low. But yeah, we'll see if it fits on my XR. So let me put that on. Okay guys, so it does fit my XR. As you can see, the fit is a little bit weird, but it works. So I think I might use this as my primary case. I don't know, let me know, what do you guys think? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm editing this video a week after I got this case, and I have the XR, and it fits the XR perfectly. So if you guys want a silicone case because they don't make one for the XR, then just buy the 11 case. It works perfectly, and I know it looks cracked right there, but that happened before I got this case. This case has been nice, and I love it, and I give it a 10 out of 10, and I bet it's pretty good on the 11 too, but it fits the XR, and that's all I care about. So yeah, thanks for watching.